members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here to welcome the visit of our Hon'ble Chief Justice Appresh Kumar Singh Garu to the association. It is indeed to honor to our CJ. Now I request our President A. Jagan Garu, Telangana High Court Education, to kindly place the chair on the desk. Now I request Honorable Chief Justice Sri Appresh Kumar Singh Garu to kindly place the chair on the desk. I request Ramu Paskula to the honor the present the bouquet to Honorable Chief Justice Appresh Kumar. Now request Secretary Universal Education kindly place on the desk. Now I request the Honorable President in Thcaa to present our the function.
Chairman Bar Council of Telangana, A. Nasukureddy garu, learned additional Muhammad Imran Khan garu, and Thcaa garu, additional Solicitor General B. Narasimha Sharma garu, Deputy Solicitor General Kumar garu, Vice Chairman Bar Council of Telangana, K. Sumit Gaur garu, Member Bar Council of India, K. Vishnureddy garu, Public Prosecutor Sri Pallanageshwar garu, learned senior designated advocates, members of the association, and all other present here with the due respect, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed privileged to have a pleasant task for welcoming to the Honorable Chief Justice Sri Appresh Kumar Singh on behalf of the Telangana High Court Advocate Association and other members of the entire Telangana legal fraternity. His Lordship passed BA Honours and his Lordship obtained his LLB degree from University of Delhi, and he was enrolled as an advocate in 1990 and practiced at Thcaa High Court from 1990 to 2000, and in Jharkhand High Court since 2001 till his elevation to the judge. Appeared in a constitutional, civil, criminal and service arbitration matters in the High Court, of which number of cases have been reported in various journals. Appeared in several important service matters before Central Administrative Tribunal, represented Honorable Chancellor Jharkhand State University before the Jharkhand High Court in important relating matters, the particularly lectures appointed in Jharkhand report, the Jharkhand High Court reported in 2003 JLR page 1. His Lordship appeared in the case a Mineral Area Development Authority was the Steel Authority of India. The state has been reported in 2011 board SCC page 450 before the bench presided by the Honorable Chief Justice of India, where the matter relates to the interpretation of the two nature of the hierarchy and decision rendered by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the state of West Bengal versus Kishoram Industry Limited, reported in 2004 in SCC page 2001, and the law laid out with the 7th bench judge's decision in Intaraction versus State of Tamil Nadu, reported 1919 in SCC page 12, has been referred to the and placed to the largest bench of the Supreme Court. His Lordship appeared in appeal matters on eradication of leprosy in Jharkhand, which leads to significant improvement in prevention of the leprosy in Jharkhand and also towards the improvement of the general health care facility in Jharkhand also. His Lordship is the distinguished deliverer of papers and speeches at important conference and workshops. His Lordship is distinct of the preparation of the status report on subordinate judiciary in Jharkhand, published by the Judicial Authority Jharkhand in 2006. His Lordship was appointed as an additional judge of the Jharkhand High Court and and taken oath on 24th January 2012 and became permanent judge on 16th January 2014. His Lordship also held the post of the Executive Chairman of the Jharkhand State Legal Service Authority. Appointed as an acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Jharkhand from 20 December 2022 to 19 December 2023. As a Chief Justice of the and transferring the Chief Justice of the Tripura on 17 April 2003. On the transfer to the Tripura to the Hyderabad, his Lordship was appointed as a Chief Justice of the Hon'ble High Court on 19 July 2023. Sir, we are all welcome, sir, and the Lordship of Telangana has been formed in 2014 after rendering the 14 persons as a sacrifice from the Telangana, and Telangana has been formed, and subsequently Telangana High Court has been brought down. So Lordship, see, the Telangana has been formed based on the name of sharing of water and funds and employment. Now, you know, these are only I am requesting the administrative side. There is a hosting difficulty faced by the legal community and dispatching of the orders and the roster changing of the rosters. Sir, here is only the roster has to be changed for 4 weeks. Your roster has to be followed. I am requesting. Insofar as the appointment of the judges is concerned, there is no proper representation from the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and the minorities. Particularly, no scheduled tribe advocate has been elected as a judge for after independence for 75 years. Only one judge has been elected from the Sonatana, but no Telangana advocate has been elected in the category of the scheduled tribe. Now I request my lords to go to your good office and to see that there should be a balance in the appointing of the judges. On behalf of the members of our Advocates Association, wish to your lordships a very happy day to the Chief Justice of the High Court of Telangana, and I hope on behalf of the future avenues of the judiciary. Thank you. Thank you. Now I request the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Passing, to address the members of the bar.
Very good evening to all. Learned advocates and Sri Professor Reddy, Chairman, Bar Council of Telangana, Sri Reddy, learned additional advocates and Sri Muhammad Khanji, learned additional advocates and Sri Thcaa Reddy, additional Advocate General Sri Simha Sarvati, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Sri Pradeep Kumarji, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Telangana, Sri Suri Gaurji, Member Bar Council of India, Sri Pradeep Reddy, and the Public Prosecutor, and above all, the President of the Association, the Secretary, and other office bearers of this Telangana High Court Advocate Association, respected senior members of the bar, other general members of the bar, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. To start with, I can firstly say that I am really overwhelmed with the kind of warmth and welcome that I am receiving day after day, especially on this occasion that you have chosen to welcome me amongst yourselves. Bar is the mother of the bench and is a very good institution. And we all are the products of the bar. Our tenure as a judge is very short, sometimes 10 years, 15 years at the most. But in our heart of hearts, we all remain the members of the bar. Constitutional duty that is entrusted to us, that we have to exercise and perform. There is the only difference, being on the other side and you on this side on the bench. But I can tell you my personal learnings and philosophy as a member of the legal fraternity and judicial fraternity, that the institution belongs to all of you and everyone associated with the institution. I, for once, do not bear any mistaken impression that it is the Chief Justice who runs the High Court, and he, being the Chief Justice, is the only one who can run the High Court. I carry great respect for even the junior most or the lower most rung of the staff, even though a grade 4 employee, as much as the senior most member of the registry. Similarly, I have great respect for even the junior most member of the bar, as I have for the senior most member of the bar. In fact, I have said it before in my tenure as in Jharkhand High Court and Tripura also, that for me sitting on the bench, those who are elder to me in the bar, I treat them as my elder brothers, and those who are younger to me at the bar, I treat them as my younger brothers. We all know that we all are doing a service to the society and to the nation. Our roles are defined. You are the priests in the temple of justice. Without you, whatever can be said about us as being divine, we cannot dispense justice without your assistance. And therefore, I know that each one of you actually owns this institution. And therefore, the cooperation and the collaboration of every one of you, every member of the office, staff, registries, and above all my brother colleagues and sister colleagues, is most important to serve this institution, to serve in turn the society, and to make our nation strong. We are an organ of the state, but I always bear this view that every organ of the state and every institution of the state commands equal respect. And we all work in cooperation to make the nation strong. All our actions should be influenced or directed towards this larger public good and making our country strong. So therefore, I look forward to work with you and to work in cooperation with you to strengthen this institution. The whole society and the whole population of the state looks forward to the judicial institution with a great sense of faith and hope that justice will be delivered here without fear or favor, ill-will or affection, and to the best of the ability, knowledge and judgment. So, I, for myself, can assure you that there will be nothing less than full sincerity in performing my duties and my discharging my responsibilities. And of course, I am also human, and to err is human. We learn from mistakes. Therefore, we can only make our sincere efforts in whichever area, whichever field we are asked to perform or we are entrusted to do a task. Similarly, I expect from all of you, and I know that I have seen in the last 3-4 days across so many councils who have appeared in my court, in our court, that there is no let up in the preparation when the councils are appearing before the court. They are so courteous. If they are able to get a patient hearing, they are satisfied with whatever order the court thinks it right and proper to render or deliver. So this is a great sense of assurance to a judge, to myself. I can speak for myself that I try to be a very patient listener, because I always feel that there must be something still in the minds of the learned counsel whom I might not be aware, which might have an impact upon the total outcome of the case. So the case is yours, the baby is yours, the judges have big rosters, so they can't be expected to be so much ready in every case. It is your assistance which actually helps us in rendering justice. This is all I can say today. I'm really looking forward to work with all of you, and I'm really overwhelmed with the kind of love and respect that is shown to me. My motto is that love begets love and respect begets respect. It's quite a reciprocal, mutual feeling, and we look forward to work together. God bless all of you. Besides the court activities, if I may be of any use for any other welfare social activities which the learned councils may be facing, I will be free to lend my hands to that in my personal capacity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable understanding members. So we are with you, sir. We hope that you are also with us. Thank you, sir. Now I request Ajay Ahmed Khan, the ex-GP to illustrate the Hon'ble Chief Justice. We are like now I request my secretary to say vote of thanks. Now I request my secretary Shanti Prasad to felicitate the
photo manchi
Hon'ble Chief. Now I request all our excellent committee members to felicitate the Hon'ble Chief Justice.
Okay.
I request my secretary in the Senate to address the board.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of our esteemed Telangana High Court Advocates Association, I deem it a great privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion to express our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice Sri Aparesh Kumar Singh Garu. His Lordship has honored us with his presence today. We are deeply honored to have had the opportunity to interact with the Honorable Chief Justice. We extend our sincere gratitude for the Honorable Chief Justice's time, insightful words,
and inspiring leadership. This interaction has been incredibly beneficial for all of us. On behalf of our esteemed Telangana High Court Advocates Association, we thank the Honorable Chief Justice Sri Abresh Kumar Singh Garu once again for gracing us with their presence and addressing the gathering. Thank you, Raj. I thank Lieutenant Advocate General Sri A. Sudarshan Reddy Garu for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. I thank Additional Advocate General Sri Muhammad Imran Khan Garu. I thank Additional Advocate General Sri Thcaa Rajnikant Reddy Garu. I thank Additional Solicitor General of India Sri B. Narasimha Sharma Garu. I thank Deputy Solicitor General of India Sri Kadi Praveen Kumar Garu. I thank Public Prosecutor Sri Palli Nageshwara Garu. I thank Additional Public Prosecutor Designated Senior Counsel. I thank Chairman Sri A. Narasimha Reddy Garu, Vice Chairman Sri K. Sunil Gaur Garu, Sri Vishnuvardhan Reddy Garu, Member Bar Council of India and legal fraternity for attending the occasion, and press reporters. I thank you one and all for the gracing the occasion. I request all the members to join for high tea, please.